experiment lovers, let's have a look at this DIY rocket launch experiment. The video creator is building his own flying Elon Musk rocket prototype SpaceX Starship. He used about 40K matches to create the rocket body. To create a jet thrust inside the rocket, he placed clip sparkles tied in armfuls. In the nose of the rocket, he placed sparklers that he made himself from titanium shavings, barium nitrate, aluminum powder, and dextrin. To create a flight effect, he glued rollers to the rocket and hung it on a stretched cable. Attention! This video is made by professionals. Do not try it at home. It's time to light it on fire. Look at how long the line is. It's going to create an amazing effect. That is actually so fast. That explosion at the end of the line was just amazing. Have a look of the explosion from all possible angles. A little reminder, as much as you may like watching this experiment, please do not try it at home. A great idea not to lit the matches himself, but let them lit on their own. What do you guys think of this cool experiment? It burned all the way down. That was a good one. Thank you, creators at Lavina.